Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video I am going to share tips on how to grow calamansi trees at home. Even in a small pot, these trees can give you thousands of fruits in a year. Calamansi limes or Philippine lemons are small in size and they are highly flavorful and taste like oranges. For planting purpose, I am choosing the well-ripe limes and extracting the seeds from those tiny limes. Calamansis are commonly found in Southeast Asia and heavily used in Malay, Indonesian, Filipino and Chinese cuisines. These lemons are very good for our digestive system and also it promotes our immune health. You can soak the seeds in water for 2 to 3 hours for fast germination. I'm using the store-bought potting mix and just sow the seeds evenly over the soil and cover it with a thin layer of soil, and we need to keep the soil moist always, so sprinkle some water on the soil and maintain the moisture. It will take 1 week to 10 days time for the seeds to germinate, and it will take around 2 years for these seedlings to grow big and bear fruits. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.